This November, we partnered with Tri-City Elks Lodge to provide free CO and smoke alarms to our mobile homeowners within our community.
When Pam contacted us, our primary objective at the Elks, number one, in very simple terms, is we raise money to give back to the community. And when this project came up, I said, this is fantastic. I have a $1,500 grant which is covering all the CO detectors, and this is something that fits perfectly into what the Elks exist for.
It's very important to have CO and smoke alarms because both of them save lives.
Well, I haven't had my smoke detectors replaced in a while, so I thought it would be a good idea, safety idea to do it. And they replaced 4 smoke detectors, and they did an awesome job, and it was quick, and I really, really appreciate it.